Okay, alright, so we're out here. We're out here fishing. I've taken my nephews and my son to the same spot. And my nephew managed to pull up this monster. And it's a freshwater mullet. It's an absolute monster freshwater mullet. It's a beast. How do you feel?
It's a big one.
He just pulled it in right now on it's actually my rod, the 6-pounder, Sienna, 6-pound. And same, he's fishing with a little float and with a just honestly a size 8 hook. But this is a freshwater mullet. Okay, so it's a beautiful fish. I want you to hold him up, Ahmed, because you caught it. I don't have the ruler with me.
Let's estimate.
No, it's easy. Look. Right, so we don't want to harm it in any way. We want to let it go. It's a beautiful fish. There we go. Alright, that's an awesome fish, Ahmed. Ahmed's going to now let it go. This is a native freshwater mullet. These are not pests like your tilapia and your carp. So you can let them go, or you can keep them as well. But we want to let him go. Alright, so I'm just reviving this nice fish. And I can feel the kick in it now. I can feel it kicking, so it has life in it. We didn't keep it out too much from the water. Ready to go?
No. Yeah,
ready to go? Ready to go, mate? Yep, and there he's gone. He went away nicely. Beautiful. Right. And that's it. 7 o'clock on the dot. Well done. You won.
How much points for that? 3?
That was a lot of points.
4, 5.
Yeah, you won. Alright, so I'm on now again. This is a different day. This looks like a carp. Yeah, it is definitely a carp. It's not as large as last time. It's actually, it's a small fella, but carp nonetheless. I'm going to try and pull him up. I'm using only 3 pound. You want to just net him over there quickly? I don't want to... Yep. Yeah. No. Get all through those lily pads. There we go. Yep. Beautiful. And there we have another solid carp. Lovely coloured one. In fact, hang on. This might be actually a goldfish rather than a carp.
Goldfish?
Yeah. You get goldfish around here as well. Let me just have a look at him. Has he got those barbels or he doesn't? He hasn't got those barbels. And he's, yeah, his shape as well. There's those barbels, no barbels. Is it? Oh yeah, I can see a small one there on the side. Possible, look. Goldfish and carp are the same family. Anyway, they're part of the carp family. But this is a much stouter fish. You can see, look at his tail over there. It's much more pronounced, much more large. Anyway, nice catch. First of the day, of this evening, which is rapidly becoming more stormy. This either will be a mullet. He's got me stuck. Oh, it's a big fella. He's very big, this one. Might be bigger than the last time. I don't know what he is, but this fella's big. Possibly. Could be anything now. Tilapia, freshwater mullet, sea mullet, carp. What else?
But whatever it is, it's really big.
But there's a lot of snags in here as well. Can you see it? Now it's on the top. What does it look like?
I can't see it. Where?
It looked like a carp. I think I just saw the mouth of the massive carp. Yeah, it's a massive carp.
You weren't fully down.
Bought this one.
It's strong.
I actually cut through the lily pad, thanks. Awesome. Alright, so this is carp number 2, much larger one. Nice fish, and he just came off the hook now, did he? Or did he? Right, there we have This little pond over here, if you look, is teeming with carp. There is so much carp around here. And coming now easy to catch. This is my second carp. The other one, I reckon, I don't know, man. His shape is all out. I reckon he's a hybrid between a carp and a goldfish. It's not uncommon. Tilapia. Another one, as you seen in the other video. Another tilapia. These ones are in the hundreds over here. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. They're awesome to eat. Here in Queensland, you're not allowed to eat them. So we just have to kill him and throw him in the bin, basically. Alright guys, getting quite dark now. So I'm going to pack up. This spot has provided once again. And what we've got now is two lovely carp. I think the one looks like a hybrid between maybe a carp and a goldfish. And we caught one small tilapia. All of them are invasive pest fish. So obviously we kill them humanely, and we're going to throw them up in the bin or something like that. We won't return them to the water. No mullet today, unfortunately. We haven't caught any mullet or anything like that. But it's getting quite dark now. We're going to pack up and head off.